Stand tall. Live fully. The power of good posture. Have you ever noticed how someone with confident posture commands attention? They seem taller, more powerful. That's the power of good posture. It's not just about aesthetics, though. Good posture is crucial for your overall health and well-being. Think about it. Your spine is the backbone of your body, literally. It supports your head, shoulders, and everything in between. When your posture is good, your spine is properly aligned. This allows your muscles, bones, and organs to function optimally. Poor posture, on the other hand, can lead to a cascade of problems. From back pain and headaches to digestive issues and even difficulty breathing, the consequences are far-reaching. The hidden costs of slouching more than just back pain. We often think of back pain as the main consequence of poor posture. It's the most immediate and noticeable effect, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. And while it's true that slouching can put a serious strain on your back, the repercussions go far beyond that. Poor posture can lead to a cascade of other health issues that might not be as obvious at first glance. When you slump over, you're compressing your internal organs. This isn't just uncomfortable, it can have serious implications for your overall health. This compression can interfere with digestion, leading to issues like heartburn, constipation, and even bloating. Over time, these digestive problems can become chronic, affecting your quality of life. Ever notice how you feel less energetic when you're hunched over? It's not just in your head. Poor posture can sap your energy levels, making you feel tired and sluggish. That's because poor posture can restrict your lung capacity, making it harder to breathe deeply. Shallow breathing means less oxygen gets to your brain and muscles, which can leave you feeling fatigued and unfocused. The impact on your mood and energy levels is undeniable. When your body is constantly in a state of discomfort, it can lead to feelings of irritability and even depression. Studies have shown that maintaining an upright posture can boost your mood, increase your energy, and even make you feel more confident. Good posture isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and functioning at your best. Unleash your inner superhero, the confidence of good posture. Have you ever noticed how superheroes are always depicted with impeccable posture? It's not just a coincidence or artistic choice. Think Superman standing tall with his chest out, or Wonder Woman radiating strength and confidence. These iconic images are designed to convey power and assurance. There's a reason for that. Good posture is more than just a physical stance, it's a reflection of inner strength and self-belief. Posture is intrinsically linked to how we feel about ourselves. When we stand tall, we feel more capable and ready to take on challenges. When you stand tall with your shoulders back, you project an aura of confidence and self-assurance. This simple act can change how others perceive you. You command respect even without saying a word. Your presence alone can make a significant impact in any room you enter. This boost in confidence can have a ripple effect on all aspects of your life. It can improve your social interactions, making you more approachable and engaging. From your interactions with others to your performance at work, good posture empowers you to be your best self. It can enhance your professional image and open doors to new opportunities. It's like unlocking a hidden superpower, one that can transform your life from the inside out. Embrace the power of good posture and watch as your confidence soars, leading to a more fulfilling and successful life. Straight Talk, identifying common posture problems. Now that you understand the importance of good posture, let's identify some common posture problems. One of the most prevalent issues is forward head posture, often caused by hours spent hunched over computers and smartphones. This leads to neck pain, headaches, and even rounded shoulders. Another common problem is anterior pelvic tilt, where your pelvis tilts forward, exaggerating the curve in your lower back. This can cause lower back pain, tight hip flexors, and even make your stomach protrude. Recognizing these postural deviations is the first step towards correcting them and reclaiming a healthier, pain-free you. Section 5. The Desk Job Dilemma, How Modern Life Wreaks Havoc on Our Posture. Let's face it, our modern lifestyle isn't exactly conducive to good posture. Long hours hunched over computers, scrolling through our phones, and even the way we sit on our couches all contribute to postural misalignments. Sitting for extended periods can weaken your core muscles, which are essential for supporting your spine. This can lead to slouching and a whole host of postural issues. Add to that the strain of carrying heavy bags, and it's no wonder so many people suffer from back pain and other related problems. But here's the good news. Even small changes to your daily routine can make a big difference in improving your posture. Start by setting up an ergonomic workstation. Ensure your chair supports your lower back and your computer screen is at eye level. Take regular breaks to stand up, stretch, and walk around. This helps to relieve the pressure on your spine and keeps your muscles active. Incorporate exercises like yoga or Pilates into your routine to strengthen your core muscles and improve flexibility. Consider using a standing desk or alternating between sitting and standing throughout the day to reduce the strain on your back. When carrying bags, use both straps of a backpack to distribute weight evenly and lift with your legs, not your back. By making these small adjustments, you can significantly reduce the risk of developing chronic pain and improve your overall well-being. Remember, good posture not only helps you physically but also boosts your confidence and energy levels. So, take the first step today towards a healthier, more aligned you. Section 6. Simple steps to a straighter you. Posture correcting exercises at home. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to improve your posture. There are simple yet effective exercises you can do right at home. These exercises focus on strengthening the muscles that support your spine and improving your flexibility. One such exercise is the wall slide. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet shoulder width apart. Slowly slide down into a squat position, keeping your back pressed against the wall. Hold for a few seconds, then slide back up. This exercise strengthens your core, glutes, and leg muscles, all of which are crucial for maintaining good posture. Section 7. Wall Angel Workout, your guide to a healthy spine. Another effective exercise for improving posture is the wall angel. Stand with your back flat against a wall, arms at your sides, elbows bent at 90 degrees, and forearms pressing against the wall. Slowly slide your arms up the wall, keeping your elbows and wrists in contact with the surface. Raise your arms as high as you can without your back arching away from the wall. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower back down. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise helps improve your thoracic spine mobility and strengthens your upper back muscles, which are often weakened from slouching. Section 8. Chin tucks, a quick fix for tech neck. In today's digital age, tech neck has become a common problem. It's that forward head posture we talked about earlier, caused by spending hours looking down at our devices. Chin tucks are a simple yet effective exercise to combat tech neck. Sit or stand with your head in a neutral position. Gently tuck your chin towards your chest as if you're trying to make a double chin. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise helps strengthen the muscles that support your neck and counteracts the strain caused by forward head posture. Section 9. Shoulder blade squeeze, strengthening your back, one squeeze at a time. Another great exercise for improving upper back strength and posture is the shoulder blade squeeze. Sit or stand with your head and neck in a neutral position. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're trying to touch them. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise helps improve your awareness of your upper back posture and strengthens the muscles that pull your shoulders back, counteracting the tendency to slouch. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to improving your posture. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Section 10. Beyond exercise posture-friendly habits for daily life. While exercises are crucial for strengthening the muscles that support your spine, incorporating posture-friendly habits into your daily life can make a world of difference. When sitting, make sure your feet are flat on the floor, your back is straight, and your shoulders are relaxed. Use a lumbar support pillow if needed to maintain the natural curve in your lower back. When standing, distribute your weight evenly on both feet and avoid locking your knees. Be mindful of your posture throughout the day, whether you're driving, walking, or even watching TV. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the long run. Section 11. Stand tall, live fully. Embrace a future free from back pain. Good posture is an investment in your health and well-being. By making simple changes to your daily routine and incorporating posture-correcting exercises, you can say goodbye to back pain, boost your confidence, and live life to the fullest. Remember, your body is designed for movement. So stand tall, move with ease, and embrace a future free from the limitations of poor posture.